building a room. To start building a room, we can go to left top corner and we will select first icon. After that, we will choose room from the menu. We can have several menus here: room size, walls and columns, doors and windows, utilities. First, we will change the room size. To change the room size, we'll click on the room size and we can see width, height and depth. We'll change these figures. Width will be 5 meters, depth will be 4.5 and the height will be 2750. This way you change room size. To go back and start drag and dropping room element, we'll click on this arrow. Now we will go to walls and columns. We can see 4 elements here. First element is a column which creates a corner. Second element is a wall. Third is beam or bulkhead, and we have a free element. So we will get an element, click with the mouse and just drag it in the room. So this is a corner. We can select a corner or select any element. What we can do with the element, we can change size of the element and we can locate element with a reference to walls or floor. We can rotate element as well. So let's have a look how this element can be changed. So the width of our element is 900 millimeters. The depth is 1 meter. So you can see element change the size. So we can, using the mouse, just if you'll select the element, we can drag it any place in the room. If you will click on the element, we'll see position of this element. So I want to have this element 0 of this corner to create actually a corner. So the second element is a wall or knee wall. So we will drag this element and we will click on this element and we can change the size. So let's say this knee wall will be 700 millimeters. This knee wall can be column and can be a wall. So we can get this element and we can tell that the depth of this element is 4.5 meters. So now we will create 2 rooms, or we'll separate a room in 2 parts. So we will put this size back to 700. Next element is a bulkhead. So we can put a bulkhead near the ceiling. So and we can change the height, depth and width. So the height of the bulkhead, let's say, will be 300 mil. Depth will be 600. So as well, we can move a bulkhead left to right, and we can go with the bulkhead up and down. And as well, we can enter a position of the bulkhead. So now that will be sitting 0 mil off the wall. Now it's sitting 300 mil down, but actually bulkhead is always sitting but the ceiling. So next element, it's a free element called other. This element can be as a small bulkhead. Let's say width will be 2.5, height will be 200 and depth will be 600. So this free element can be bulkhead, like a partially bulkhead. This element can be a wall, and this element can be a hub. So next menu is doors and windows. So we got a list of doors and windows and openings as well. So we will get one door and we'll drag it on the wall. After selection, we can see you got the same parameters: height, width, and position. So I want to have this door sitting hundreds from the left corner. We have a menu and we can change the color of the door elements. We can do the same with a door opening, and we can do the same with a window. So we can go and tell that the width of window is 2 meters and the height is 500. So this window will be a window in between base and overhead cabinets. As well, we can change position, so we can put at 500 of the left hand wall. Next menu is utilities. In utilities we got several elements: switches, power points, mirror. We can change position and size of these elements. As well, we may have here the picture. Let me move my window here and put a picture on a wall. So this picture can have different layouts or infills, so we can change the picture in a picture frame.